Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are all having a very, very good evening, day, whatever time you guys are dealing with. I gotta do one thing very fast here and just scratch this here, go over here to copy link. Oops. I am live. There we go. All right, let's end that. And I'll just pull up some coin market cap and see how that works out for us today, guys. Make sure everything's working fine on mine. Okay, there we are. So far, so good, guys. We're trying to break out here. We're just running into that 20-day moving average. That's the hiccup at the moment. You can see for the last 2 days, hit here. The main goal for today is actually not to break above the 20 moving average or get above the Fibonacci level. The main goal for today is simply just to close above this trend line here. We want to close above it. Now, if you're looking at this, probably somewhere right here at 58,000-ish level. It doesn't have to be exactly that level. As long as you guys are looking at the 5-minute chart or something like that, you guys could easily see where we need to hold. So more like 57,500 or so. Yeah, but we really do need to stay above this trend line to keep things going at the moment. There we go. And right now we're taking a little bit of a hit down. That's fine. We'll have to wait it out, but I'm not too concerned. Let me put the volume back on here as well. There we are. Hey, Heaton. Good morning, and hey, Elvis. Mike, how's it going today? So far, so good. I'm taking my mom to the hospital here in a little bit, so I wanted to get this stream out of the way, since I think we're going to leave at like, I'm leaving here around 11 to 11:10 or something like that to go pick up my mom, so it'll be a very, very long day for me, but I wanted to make sure that you guys knew what's going on here. I have to keep Loki company just long enough so he doesn't notice when I'm gone later on. I know I posted a video last night though too, guys, but Matic did break out, which was another a nice play here. That's ADA. Where's Matic at? There we go. So Matic broke out last night, which is a good play to look at. There you go. I posted the video when it was like right around here, and so far, you know, it's gave you good returns. Let's say you just bought on the breakout initially, you could have made up about 9%. Most people probably made about 7.5% just because they probably sold off of us coming back down below the 20 moving average here on the 5-minute chart. But overall, this was a pretty good play. I know a lot of people are going to be gearing up for round 2 of Matic here pretty soon, so I'm interested to see how much higher this bad boy wants to go. What else do we have here? Let's go. Dogecoin's still doing fine. Dogecoin's coming down a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about it. It's pretty much at the edge of a channel here. Can I do a triangle here or a rectangle? Oh, there you go, rotated rectangle. Think of Dogecoin being in a rectangle that looks kind of like this. And it's kind of at that buying zone where it wants to start popping off. That's what I see for Dogecoin right now. You guys probably don't even use rectangles. You don't have to. Most of you guys will just draw a line there, and that's all you need to focus on. But this is like this little channel that Dogecoin's working in, this downtrend that we're looking at. And Dogecoin's on the verge of breaking out. At least it's trying to. We want to see Bitcoin have a good day tomorrow, which is why we have one more spot right here for it to have a nice little pop. But I could easily just extend this like that. Right? So we want to have a nice pop off for Dogecoin. Ethereum is continuing its breakout. Looks nice to me. It's going to run into some resistance, of course. We'll see how that works out. ADA still at support. This is still a buying opportunity if you guys want to do it. Just remember that caveat that we talked about before. It does have some bad news pending potentially if it gets delisted from another exchange. But until that happens, you can feel free to try to buy some ADA here. XRP looking to pump up here either today or tomorrow above its 20-day moving average. Bitcoin looking okay. Yeah, it's going to move up here pretty soon. Ethereum Classic on the verge of breaking out actually here pretty soon. XLM, fine. Litecoin, fine. Nothing else. STM actually just going sideways. I love it. Sol finally moved up here and broke above the 20. That's nice to see. And it's actually breaking out above its trend at the moment. Here we go. There you go. On the verge, it's breaking out, but just barely. Phantom up a little bit here. SHIB coming down, like we talked about, got rejected from this resistance level. It's holding on to the 20 though, which is a nice sign. Dot coming down a little bit here. Link going up above the 20. Had a golden cross here. So this should move here pretty soon. Luna doing fine. Oh, look at Luna's doing very, very nicely here. Back up to all-time highs, it looks like. Rocketing off, broke out again. I guess the real breakout would have happened right here. Or if you guys wanted to do the double bottom play, we talked about this yesterday actually. Double bottom play, you would have been buying along this neckline right here. And then if you held, most people probably would have sold right here to be safe, but if you bought and held, you'd be up about 38% right now. So that was a good double bottom play right there. An engine right here, bouncing off the 20, that's fine, okay. There we go. So you're seeing a whole bunch of crazy stuff happening in the market right now. Hey Monica, hey Andrew, hey 1977. Let's see, hey Andrew, little breakout, yeah. Right now, like what's right here, what's stopping us from Bitcoin from getting any higher? Go to the day chart. It's that 20 moving average right there. That's the pickle. So what I want to see happen today is like I'd prefer if we kind of blew up and started, you know, going above the 20, above the Fibonacci and testing at the 50. Cool. If we could do that, that'd be really nice. But right now, I just want to focus on closing above this trend line right here. If we can close above it, that makes our life a lot easier going forward here. But right now, you can see Bitcoin's getting shorted a little bit. I'm not too concerned. Hey Elvis, I posted a video about Matic last night actually. Your first price target's going to be up here at about $2.23. Shorter term one, you can do $2.15. Those are going to be your price targets right now. If you wanted to hold past that, you're probably going to see a little bit of a spike, then another dip, and then it's going to start going up a little bit more here. And then you would be looking at levels like, you know, $2.42, which would be about, I don't know, a good 25% up from where it is now. So overall, Matic is a good play right now. There you go. And remember what we talked about yesterday. I know there's that conference thing going on sometime today. I got to figure out what time it is, but I'll probably be at the hospital with my mom. There is... yesterday we talked about how Ethereum broke down a day before Bitcoin, and now Ethereum is going to break out a day before Bitcoin. So that is interesting to watch. So keep an eye on Ethereum as well. Ethereum is still booming though, still going up. Hitting a little bit of this flag though. So keep an eye on it. It's worth keeping an eye on here, but you do have the 20 coming up here to help you out a little bit. Plus you're going to have somewhat of a golden cross on the 4-hour chart coming, which would be another good help. And on the daily, yeah, on the daily, we don't want to see the 20 come below the 50. We want to see the 20 curl up before the 50 makes contact with it. There you go. Oh, that's Bitcoin again. There you go. Oh, that's Matic. Okay, there we go. There's Matic's breakout right there. Hey, good afternoon, Heron. Hero. I can't pronounce your name. I'm so sorry. If you say it, like if you type it out how it's supposed to be spelled, I'll say it. Heroin, yeah. It's not you. I have trouble with my R's. SHIB, great entry price. Right now, yeah, right now SHIB could be a good entry price, especially if it holds on to the 20-day moving average. Hey Henry, how soon can we get a nice pump for Dogecoin? Probably in the next couple weeks. If you're looking at Dogecoin right now, we talked about it just a few seconds ago. Let's go to the daily chart here. You can see it's in how this is downward channel here, and it's on the edge of breaking out. What we're waiting for basically is just for this 50-day moving average to cross above the 200. That's going to be a golden cross, and we haven't had a golden cross since December 20th of last year. So it's like the first really big bullish sign in a long time. So that could be the catalyst. So, but normally it doesn't happen on the exact same day. So this may happen sometime December 5th or the 6th, maybe the 4th if we're lucky. And then it might take until December like 10th or 11th before Dogecoin really starts to pop off from here. But the short-term price target is going to be something more of like 24 cents, 26 cents. After that, you can start focusing on like 32 and whatnot to break out of this overall pennant that we're looking at right here. I'm hoping we just start breaking out sooner. And this is just one gigantic double bottom, right? That'd be a real nice move for Dogecoin. Because right now this almost feels like a gigantic double top, right? But luckily it had that little section there to make it a little bit more of an ugly double top. what I keep up with Bitcoin. There we go, Matic. Yeah, we are seeing Bitcoin take a little bit of a hit right now. Hopefully it's able to hold support, but we'll have to see. Remember, this day candle still has about 6 hours, let's just call it, time left. So the shorts are going to try to push us down to those 6 hours. If there's enough buyers, we should be able to hold on pretty well. Hey, thanks, Heat, and I appreciate it. What time is the Zoom call scheduled for today so I can make sure it's available to watch? I have no idea. Crypto event. Naga KuCoin listing, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You might have to go grinding on Google somewhere, or maybe Twitter would be a bit more reliable place. But I'm not entirely sure when that meeting is. Let's see. What do I think about Sol? I think it's fine. I mean, you don't want to be chasing it, but if you want to hold on to it, you still can. Had a nice breakout here. Let me go to the days. Had a nice breakout. It came back down a little bit here. It's just trying to hold at the moment. That's the big thing that it's trying to do. Hopefully it can, and then from there you could have a price target of $240. The next one up here at 247, and then up here to 261. But now you're looking pretty good though. You just want to see it close above this line as well. This trend line. If you look at the 15, it's doing it, but barely. Just like you see Bitcoin taking a hit right now. Pretty much the same shape from Sol going forward. But what you want to see happen here is a hold and close above it. That way it can start gearing up for this high up here at $240, which would be, I don't know, not too much of an increase. What would this increase be? Yeah, like 5% or so. But I mean, if you bought down here, you'd still be looking pretty good. So that's what you're waiting for at the moment. You're waiting for it to confirm and hold on the daily candle. And then from there, it should have a nice day going forward, just like a Bitcoin should if it manages to hold right here. So keep an eye on Bitcoin, and it'll tell you a lot about Sol. Meanwhile, Ethereum is still breaking it here. Ethereum is just looking a little heavy at the moment. I don't like how it's curling like this. And normally when it starts to curl like that, you start to see it come back down. I'm hoping I can get a jolt of volume in here to kind of push it back up before it starts interacting with the 200 moving average here on the 15-minute chart. Hey, Justin Crow. Here, we can just talk about Crow for just a quick second. Crow USD. Had a short-term pop here. Hopefully can try to consolidate here. I'm still not going to touch it until it hits this 20-day moving average here. There should be a better Crow out here somewhere like BitREX. There we go. Now I can see like more of what's been happening with it. I'm still waiting to see if this hits down to the 20. That'd be my buying opportunity. Maybe it's trying to pop off right now just because Bitcoin's breaking out, so people are kind of excited about it. But at this moment in time, it's an okay level to be buying at and holding at if you wanted to. I'm not touching it though because I think it's too expensive for me. I'd rather have it somewhere down here like 63 cents or 65 cents rather than be buying it up all the way up here at 73 cents. But overall, it's okay. Let's go Ethereum to the 15. There you go. Much easier to see. Hey Jay Perez, any alternative you can recommend for stock charts for dummies? Can't direct from Amazon to any other sellers. I'm not entirely sure. Let me go over here to Amazon very fast. Oh snap, I forgot. I was looking at the viewers and I noticed the viewers are low. It's because I posted 3 videos last night and YouTube only lets me send out like 3 notifications per day. And so nobody got the notifications today. At least I don't think so, unless they had all the bell icons on. But that's fine. Let me see. Charting stocks, no. This one seems okay. Charting and technical analysis. Candlestick charting, no. And you want something for... Jesus, you're not supposed to be paying an arm and a leg for this. Price low to high. There we go. I can't find any good ones here. Excuse me. What you might want to do is look for your local bookstore and see if they have it in stock. Usually they do, since it's a big brand of books. Let's see. There's not too many books about charting here. There was that one towards the beginning that had this one, charting and technical analysis. I would check out this one right here. It's a little dated at 2012, but it'll still tell you the majority of the stuff you need to know going forward. So I would use this charting and technical analysis one. There you go. Bitcoin's trying to hold support right now. Let's see if it can. That'd be a good booster for Ethereum going forward too. Hey, good morning, LaPush. Hey, Steven, I thought we were supposed to be breaking out. Yeah, we are breaking out. Yeah. Not every breakout is just like go to the moon like this. There's a lot of breakouts where we get slammed by whales, because remember, what just happened up here? If you watch some of the other videos I've been posting out online, the reason we stopped right here at this exact point is because we actually ran into the 20-day moving average right here. See, same thing happened up here the day before. All we're focused on at the moment as far as Bitcoin's concerned is just to close above this trend line here. We just want to close above it. If we can do that, that'll give us a nice big pump going into tomorrow. And plus, sometime later on today we have that conference or something. I don't know exactly when it's happening, because somebody told me about it. I didn't find out about myself. But we're waiting for that conference to kick off, which could definitely give some bullish volume into Bitcoin and keep it going up. But yeah, not all breakouts are all peachy. The last time I had a big trade in Apple, it boosted up, it came down for a couple days, then it eventually went skyrocketing. So don't expect it to be as easy as just buying on the breakout and going up constantly. I wish it was that. I wish it was that easy though. Okay, we get out there. That's fine. Hey Travis, nice to see you back, man. I figured out how to use leverage on my day trading account while leaving my long-term portfolio alone. It definitely took a lot of stress off trying to take profit. Oh, there you go. That's really good, my man. Let's see. On your day trading account specifically, day trading can put a lot of stress on your overall portfolio, especially if you have leverage trading and you're not going. Oh, what's the term? There's Loki. Hey, don't bite that. No. Futures. I'm not even logged in. It's better to go. Okay, that's fine. I think it's better to go isolated than the other one. I think isolated keeps everything contained, and the other one doesn't. That way you don't have to worry about those losses sucking into other parts of your portfolio. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin's getting hammered hard by shorts right here. Let's see. Yeah, no worries, Travis. Happy to help out. Hey, Monica, what about AMP? Yeah, here we go. Down a little bit. AMP's still in this pennant right here. You probably want to leave it alone until it starts getting more active, or you can buy some now if you wanted to, but I'd personally be waiting for it to actually break out above here. Otherwise, you could try to buy it as it taps onto the 20-day moving average here. That's fine. Is there a 200 in here? Probably not just yet. Overall, this still looks fine, but this is going to have to hold this a little bit longer in order to make some money off of it. But it's not like it's a bad play or anything like that, especially as Bitcoin looks to break out. Hey, in LA Blockchain Summit, November 2nd through 3rd. Probably not, just because it's November. But Here, hold on. December. I don't know. I don't see it. Maybe it's not a. I don't know. Maybe I trusted somebody I shouldn't have trusted, but I don't see anything about one today. I see Future Coin Atlanta and 15 Global Investment Summit, which is December 6th through the 7th. Maybe it's just a week early. That could be it. Crypto Events Global. Centrify Miami. This could be it right here. Online. Finimize Crypto Summit. Blockchain Fest Cyprus. Okay, there's a lot of events going on. It looks like I don't know exactly which one. It could just be this Decentral Miami because it's in America. Yeah, it could just be this one. Who knows? For now, it's probably not a big thing if nobody knows about it. I mean, if you start seeing rumbles about Twitter, then maybe it's something. But otherwise, could just be nothing here. There we go. All right, no worries, Heaton. No worries. There's a lot of weird stuff happening in the crypto world. And I see Bitcoin coming back down below the trend line here. Hey, DJ, XRP had a good buying point. Yeah, you could definitely buy it. You might have to hold on for a little bit of time, though, just because of they're waiting for that lawsuit to freaking finish up. But I'm holding XRP. I think it's a good long-term hold, so I like it, especially for altcoin season coming forward. Hey, the push. Do I keep money in a regular bank account? Oh yeah, I keep tons of money in a bank account. Banks are FDIC insured. I like that security. Now, I prefer to have most of my money making me money, but at the same time, I need money to buy everyday stuff. So I have a regular bank account. Hey, something about my shoes. But yeah, I have a regular bank account. Let's see what's going on here. Make a move. There we go. Okay. Hey, El Parasito, my man. Hope you're having a very good evening. It's a much shorter stream today, my man. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm about to go take my mom to the hospital right now. So any questions you guys have, not for emergency, but just to get some tests done. So if you have any questions, please let me know. You saw XRP added a bunch of the supply today on the whale alerts? Oh, that's pretty interesting. Why would they add a bunch of supply probably right before the boom, honestly, but still, I don't like to see stuff like that. That could explain why it's only up a teeny bit compared to everything else being up a few percent, though. Let's see. Hey, James. Bitcoin getting slammed 50 to 200 gold and not what expected. Perhaps we can break out next week or so. See, this isn't what you would call a slam, but yeah, Bitcoin got rejected from the 50 to the 20-day moving average. That's true. Let's see. Hey, Patel. Yeah, we haven't Dogecoin. Yeah, we haven't had a golden cross with Dogecoin in over about a year. That is big news. Yeah, yeah, it's news. Yeah. But yeah, I'm sure that we're gonna head for a golden cross. Let me see what else is going on here. I think we should be good. Move. No, we should be fine. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna cut the stream a little bit early today. I gotta go get my mom, and I want to make sure everything's like going fine. And I don't want to like rush it too much. Plus, what I'm looking at as far as YouTube is I posted too many videos last night as I was before I went to bed, and YouTube didn't notify anybody of the stream. So we'll see how this works out. But overall, guys, make sure that Bitcoin is able to hold above this line. That's going to be the big thing going forward. If we can do that by by the time the daily candle closes, we should be in good shape for a good move tomorrow afternoon. Okay, or tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's day candle. Excuse me. All right, everybody. See you guys a little bit later. Thanks again.